What's going on, family? Welcome back to the channel. I am Corey, one half of His and Herbs, and today I wanted to come through and talk to you guys about a company that reached out to us about a month or so ago and wanted us to sample their product and see how our chickens liked it. And that company is Grub Terra. So, a little bit about Grub Terra. So they're trying to reduce the amount of food waste that's going to the landfill. So they're actually feeding their black soldier fly larvae pre-consumer food waste from the grocery stores, which is pretty cool because honestly, that's exactly what I use for my compost. That's what I use for my chickens to supplement their feed. I go to the juice bars and I collect the food waste and the scraps to give to the chickens. That way it doesn't go in the landfill. So they're doing the exact same thing, which is helping out the planet as well. The benefits of black soldier fly larvae are produces stronger eggshells, keeps feathers healthy, is farm raised, and it has 75% more calcium than just regular mealworms. That's cool because we know that the more calcium they have, the stronger the eggshells are going to be that they produce, right? So that's pretty cool. And I'm going to tell you something, right? I'm not one typically to be like, oh, I never thought about giving our chickens a snack or a treat. You know, we do it for the dogs, we do it for the cats, but I never thought about it for the chickens, right? But the chickens absolutely love this stuff. They love them. They'll have a container full of food, and if I put this in there, they will ignore the food and they'll go straight for these things, even if they are not hungry, right? They absolutely love this product, and I can show you better than I can tell you. Y'all see how these girls already crowding at the gate because they already know I got something good for them. But check this out. I'm gonna just give them I'll just throw a handful of regular chicken feed in there. They're gonna attack it at first because of what they think it is, but look at that. No interest in that at all. Then I throw in these black soldier fly larvae. Look at that. They go crazy over it. Yeah, so our girls absolutely love this product. I mean, they completely ignore the food and they go for these worms every single time. The cool thing about it is Grub Terra is actually generous enough to give us a promo code for anyone that was interested in ordering any black soldier fly larvae or anything else from their website. I'm gonna put the coupon code in the description and also on the screen so you guys can see it. So you can save 10% off of your next order from their site. So make your chickens happy too. All right, guys, so that's it for today. Just wanted to share that product with you. The Grub Terra black soldier fly larva. They love it, which means I like it. So if they're happy, I'm happy, and everything's good in the hood, right? So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.